Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Whoop, 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 poof. Guess what? Today I'm going to visit a waterfall. Yep, yes, a waterfall. It's 2nd of January. Happy New Year. Yes, we made it to 2018. Yes, and basically it's we're starting the year off with a new adventure, new everything new, brand new. So I'm wishing you guys an awesome 2018. I'm sure you can see this village background settings. I'm currently in Ibadan with a friend of mine, and I don't know why this woman, she's walking right in front of me. She's just trying to tempt me with everything that she's carrying. You know, she's got a lot of package, guys. And come and see her. Come and say hi to my friend.
Hello.
Her name is Yemisi. Yemisi, say what's up to YouTube. I don't know, she's shy. Can't you see package? Kai, see package. Hell, Jesus, Kai. Oh my God. She's just awesome like that. She's an awesome fellow. So guys, this is the idiot that is following us. Yes, is a lawyer.
Sit on this and bounce.
Shut up. He's a lawyer, but he's just a very stupid somebody. I'm tired of him. Well, but then his name is Damilotson. Yeah, introduce yourself.
I'm Lotto.
I beg. English is too much.
Stop hating. Stop it.
So we just arrived at the Ijesha Waterfall. It was a long ride indeed, and we're hoping to have some really nice adventure here. And from what I can see, we have like 7 different layers of hills to climb before we get to the top of the waterfall, which is a very long way. I really don't know if we will be able to climb all the 7 different layers, but we will definitely try as much as possible because it looks really tall. But let's just see how it goes, and you guys come along with me, have fun with me, and do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like. Oh, why did you have to interrupt? Do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to do not forget to like my videos, and share and comment. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys at the top. Oh yeah, now be dancing. Eh? Yeah, me see Joe now. Come on, let go Joe now. Bye. So we haven't even gotten anywhere, and we're literally already panting.
Let me prepare your mind. That hill.
Okay, which hill?
I will not climb it with you and then
you. I like this. So we're still climbing. This is beautiful vegetation. As you guys can see, everywhere is green all around me. Like this is so, oh yes, the land is green, it's green. Nigeria is really super blessed, and we really do not know that, but well, what can we do? That's why people like us, we're here to bring Nigeria to you people everywhere in the world to see how beautiful Nigeria is. It's not just all about the bad things and the sad things that you all hear about Nigeria. Nigeria has so many amazing stuff, so many amazing tourist attractions here. You guys just need to explore. Gosh, I'm panting. Goodness gracious. Yes, let's still continue. Woo! Till we get there. I ain't stopping. No, I ain't stopping. Amiloto, come please.
See the start.
It's recording before.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, it's so cool! Waterfall, waterfall. Yep, I am. This is amazing. Look at that. So I'm right behind the water. Oh no. I'm right in front of the waterfall. Yes. It's not easy, but we're still going. We're still going. Oh my god, this is so amazing. I mean, it's so cool. Even just the breeze, even though my phone is see that me.
Some just happen right.
What's that?
Some just happen. You don't need to assist your level.
Oh, okay. No. This is out of this world. Trust me, like it is super amazing. Like, can't you just see that? It's so cold. Like, I'm not even close to the water and I can feel the coolness of the water. Like, super cold.
Be careful.
careful with that slipper, so.
Oh my god! Oh my god! That was cold! Oh my gosh, I am freezing. It's so cold, like super cold. That was super cold. Like it's like minus 70 degrees cold, guys. But it was so awesome. So we're trying to get to the third waterfall, and we're literally lost in the middle of the forest, and we can't just seem to find our way. So we finally found the third one.
Yeah!
Yay! So we're descending. I think we've tried. Like I'm so tired and exhausted. It was super worth the while. Like as in, trust me, you guys, you need to really come and experience Waterfall. Waterfall.
Can I see myself?
Yes, you can see yourself.
Yeah. It's not easy, man.
It's not.
Ew.
So you guys come and experience Waterfall.
I think I've lost like 10 pounds. Yes.
You wish.
I have.
So as I was saying, you guys come and experience Waterfall in Erin, Ijesha in Osun State.
Erin, Ijesha.
Oh my gosh, whatever, in Erin, Ijesha.
Olumirin Waterfall.
Also called Olumirin Waterfalls in Osun State, Ilesha, Osun State. So that's it, guys. Do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like my video, and do not forget to click on that bell button so you can get notifications whenever I post or upload a video like this. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Bye. See you guys some other time in another adventure. So we're leaving now. It was super amazing and super fun. Erin Ijesha was really awesome. So it's a really nice place to be. So see you guys some other time. Till we see. Bye.